Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Seam Ripper is probably one of the most essential tools in any sewing kit. From beginners to seasoned professionals, we've all been there, a misplaced stitch, a fabric mishap, or a complete sewing fail. But fear not. Today, we're diving deep into the world of seam rippers, exploring their design, functionality, and how to choose the perfect one to make your sewing journey smoother and more enjoyable. Number 5. Sewing Seam Ripper Tools Set with Thread Cutter and Scissor. This set makes removing unwanted stitches a breeze. The seam rippers come in 2 sizes to handle various tasks. They are designed to make your sewing projects easier. The small seam ripper is perfect for delicate work, while the larger one tackles tougher fabrics. The clear cap on the small ripper extends the handle for better control. This tool helps you get into those small places. The thread cutter features a double-edged blade made of stainless steel. It's designed for precision and durability, and the blades are replaceable. This makes cutting threads easier and more efficient. The set also includes a sharp, stainless steel scissor with a curved head. It's perfect for cutting threads and removing stitches. This scissor is designed to make your sewing experience more enjoyable. This set includes 4 seam rippers, a double-edged thread cutter, and a scissor. It's a comprehensive collection for all your sewing needs. This set will become your go-to tool for sewing. What we like. This set offers multiple tools, including seam rippers, thread snips, and scissors. It is perfect for various sewing tasks. If you are looking for a comprehensive set that can handle different aspects of sewing, you should consider this one. What people say. Seam ripper works great. The seam ripper is very sharp and easy to use. Seam ripper is well made. Number 4. Clover White Ergonomic Seam Ripper 482W. This seam ripper is designed for comfort and precision. Its ergonomic handle makes it easy to hold and control. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, even during extended use. This feature helps to reduce hand fatigue. The white color provides good visibility. It allows you to see the stitches clearly. This is the 482W model. It's a reliable tool for any sewing project. It is easy to use and effective for removing unwanted stitches. It is a must-have tool for any sewer. What we like. This seam ripper is designed with an ergonomic handle for comfortable use. It is ideal for long sewing sessions. If you are a sewist who values comfort and needs to work on projects for extended periods, this is the one for you. What people say. This one very sharp, which I love. I have taken out 4 zippers and scrub jackets now and it's worked amazing. Easy to use and sharp. Does the job. Sharp and it is comfortable to use. Good ergonomics and a decent price. Number 3. Singer ProSeries Sewing Tools Bundle. Introducing the Singer ProSeries Sewing Tools Bundle. This set includes everything you need for your sewing projects. It's a complete package for all your sewing needs. The set features a 5-inch thread snips and 4 1/2 detail scissors with stainless steel blades. They provide a clean and precise cut every time. It's ideal for detail work, embroidery, and sewing projects. The scissors and seam ripper are ergonomically designed for all sewists. The lightweight design and comfort grip handles reduce hand fatigue. This makes it easier to work on projects for longer. Made with premier materials, these tools are built to last. The stainless steel blades stay sharp and don't dull easily. You can count on them for repeated use. The customer favorite teal color scheme makes the tools easy to find. You won't have to slow down or look up during your project. This is a great feature. The set also includes a bonus thimble. This bundle is a complete package for all your sewing needs. Get yours today. What we like. This set includes sharp scissors and a seam ripper. The comfortable grip handles reduce hand fatigue. If you are looking for a set that provides both precision and comfort, you should consider this one. What people say. Seam ripper works beautifully, high quality. Sharp and easy to use. Quality items. Super sharp so you get nice clean cuts. Number 2. BEADNOVA 4 PCS Seam Ripper. This small seam ripper is perfect for delicate fabrics and threads. It comes with a clear cover for protection. It measures 3.54 inches 9 centimeters in length, including the protective cover. You'll receive 4 seam rippers in a pack, one of each color: blue, green, yellow, and red. This gives you multiple options for your projects. The seam ripper is made with a high-grade metal blade and a plastic handle. This allows you to remove threads quickly and easily. The red ball point protects your fabric while you work. Simply insert the pointed tip into the stitch you want to remove. Let the stitch slide down to the curved blade, then push a little further to cut through it. This seam ripper is a must-have for sewing and crafting. It's great for removing unwanted stitches, embroidery, and tags. You can also use it to turn corners, open buttonholes, and make neat holes in fabric. It is a handy tool. What we like. This seam ripper comes in a small size and assorted colors. It works well with delicate fabrics. If you are working on projects with delicate fabrics or like having a variety of colors, you should consider this one. What people say. They're sharp, easy to hold, and make quick work of removing stitches without damaging fabric. The little red tip seems to stay intact. These are small, but are excellent for opening seams. Number 1. Singer ProSeries Folding Seam Ripper. This tool is more than just a seam ripper. It's designed for various tasks, from opening buttonholes to removing tags and taking out buttons. It's a versatile addition to any sewing kit. Designed with your comfort in mind, this seam ripper features a cushioned grip. It's perfect for long sewing sessions and is suitable for both left and right-handed users, reducing hand fatigue. This seam ripper lifts and cuts stitches cleanly, preserving your fabric. Simply place the pointed end under the stitch and gently rip the seam. You can say goodbye to snagged or damaged fabric. The Smart Safety Fold feature hides the sharp point when not in use. This provides safety during storage and travel, protecting you and your other tools. No more lost caps. With this seam ripper, you can effortlessly remove stitches. It makes sewing projects easier and more enjoyable. Get yours today. What we like. This seam ripper is designed with a fabric-friendly design to prevent snagging. It is also great for opening buttonholes and removing tags. If you are looking for a tool that is gentle on your fabrics and offers multiple uses, this is the one for you. What people say. The actual ripper folds into the grip when not in use. It's got a finer point than more seam rippers, and the larger ergonomic handle makes it even better. The seam ripper is designed like a pocket knife, where it folds down into the handle when not in use, and has a click to keep it either folded or unfolded and ready to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.